Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix camera not working on iPhone iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have software glitch. Sometimes a temporary software glitches or bug may causes camera malfunctions. This can happen after a major software update like iOS 17. So while facing this issue, so you have software glitch. Then second solution, you have check for update on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, must be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. Outdated software can sometimes cause camera issues. Check if software update available for your iPhone. Setting general software update is available on your iPhone, must be installed. If an update is available, install and restart, then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart if your problem will be fixed. Simple solution, restart if your problem will be fixed. Then other solution, we have reset all setting. If none of the above steps work, you can try resetting or resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will not erase your data but will revert your setting to their default values. Open the setting, click on general, scroll app, click on transfer, reset all setting. iPhone given a password, then you have enter a password. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. Then last solution, you have restart camera app. Sometimes the camera app itself might be glitching. Close the app completely and reopen it. If that resolves the problem. While you have used the camera app on your iPhone, it does not work. So then you have double tap on home button. So you have remove and then restart the camera app if he is working properly. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.